What's up, guys? One of the more important things to have in a recording studio in your home, besides a really good microphone, is a solid sound studio in which there's not a whole lot of echo or noise or reverb bouncing off things in the room that you're recording. And so, one thing that you can do to sort of help with that issue is get some sound deadening foam. And I found this stuff on Amazon. It was about $20 for 12 panels, and they're about 1 by 1 foot. And so this stuff you would just apply to the wall in a alternating pattern, and this really does break up sound waves, and the sound waves get caught in the actual foam itself, and so they don't reflect back into the room and into your microphone. And so that's really important for having quality sound and not having a whole lot of background noise in your videos or in your podcasts or any other recording that you might be doing in your home. And so I just wanted to drop a real quick video, let you guys know about this. I'll put a link in the description down below, and if you guys are interested, they typically sometimes have sales. The last sale I saw it a couple bucks off, but this stuff's really good. I'm gonna put it throughout my office here, and I'll take some B-roll to show you that here shortly.